I've just finished shampooing Dominique's hair with R+Co BLEU Primary Color Shampoo and Conditioner. Now that her hair has been towel dried, I'll work the F-Layer Deep Conditioning Serum through her hair and use a wide tooth comb to ensure even distribution. F-Layer Deep Conditioning Serum also adds weightless hydration and preps the hair for styling. It is also clinically proven to help prevent breakage and improve detangling and manageability. While the hair is still damp, I'll apply Surreal Styling Serum from mid-lengths to ends. This is one of my favorite products to apply before diffusing to add hydration and shine. Then I'll diffuse the hair in sections on low speed and medium to hot heat. I'll also have her flip her hair forward to help add looseness to her natural wave pattern. Once dry, I'll use a wide tooth comb to separate the hair and add volume. Then I'll apply Featherlight hairspray for flexible hold and shine. F-Layer Deep Conditioning Serum replenished the protective lipid layer of the hair that locks in moisture and provided Dominique's hair natural smoothness and shine. F-Layer Deep Conditioning Serum by R+Co BLEU.